99% of new affiliate marketers make the same mistake, and it's why they quit before ever making a single dollar. They waste all their time and money chasing one thing: traffic. They stare at analytics, get excited about spikes, and chase these giant pointless numbers. But the reality is, 10 of the right visitors are worth more than 10,000 of the wrong ones. In this video, I'm giving you a simple content switch that turns random visitors into actual customers, and you don't need a massive audience to do it. This is the lever that separates those who struggle for years from those who build million-dollar businesses from their bedroom. You've been lied to. The lie is that more traffic equals more money. It sounds true, so you get to work. You create endless content, you learn SEO, you post on every social platform, you do everything the gurus tell you to do, and maybe your visitor count starts climbing. You get a rush, thinking you're finally winning. But then you check your affiliate dashboard, and it's nothing. Crickets. Your traffic graph is going to the moon, but your bank account is flatlining. This is the #1 reason people give up. They're stuck on a content hamster wheel, creating for an audience of window shoppers who look at everything and buy nothing. It's like owning a beautiful store in the busiest mall in the world, filled with people who only came in for the free air conditioning. They wander around and leave, all that effort to get them in the door, for zero. It's exhausting, and it's the wrong way to build a business. Remember this: traffic is a vanity metric. Revenue is a sanity metric. It's time to focus on your sanity. So what's the fix? It's this simple: stop focusing on how many people you attract and start obsessing over who you attract. The secret is to shift your entire strategy from chasing traffic to targeting buyer intent. Buyer intent is the mission someone is on when they type something into Google. It's the massive difference between someone searching to learn and someone searching to buy. Get this one concept, and your business will become so much more profitable it feels like a cheat code. If you have traffic, but no sales, it's because your content isn't what your visitor was actually looking for. The person who searches "what is a drone" is in a completely different universe than the person who searches "best drone" under $500. The first is just curious. The second is about to spend money. One is a researcher, the other is a shopper. Who would you rather have on your website? By focusing on buyer intent, you stop trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, you become a magnet for the small group of people who are ready to pull out their wallets. You don't need 1 million visitors, you just need a few hundred who are ready to buy. To do this, you need to understand the 3 levels of user intent. Once you see the world this way, you can never go back. First, there's informational intent. These are your how-to, what is, and why searches, like how to start a podcast. These people are complete beginners. They are not pulling out their credit cards. This content is still important for building trust and letting people know you exist, but it will almost never lead directly to a sale. Second, we have commercial intent. This is the middle, and, for us, this is where the money is. These searches scream, "I'm shopping." They use words like best, review, top, or V's. For instance, best podcasting microphone 2026, or Blue Yeti versus Rode NT USB. This person has a problem and is actively hunting for the best solution. They are one good article away from making a decision. This is the most important keyword category for you to own. Finally, there is transactional intent. This is the bottom of the funnel. These people are ready to buy right now. They're searching a product name plus buy, discount, or sale, like buy Shure MV7 microphone. These keywords convert like crazy but are also insanely competitive. Your sweet spot is catching people with commercial intent and leading them here. So, how do you find these money-making golden keywords? It's easier than you think, and you don't need to spend a dime. Let's do it right now. First, pick a broad keyword for your niche. We'll use microphone. Now, go to Google, type best microphone for, and just stop. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Google is literally showing you what people are searching for when they want to spend money. You'll see best microphone for podcasting, best microphone for gaming, an endless list of free ideas. Try it with other modifiers. Rode microphone review, Focusrite versus Audient, best alternatives to Blue Yeti. Every one of these represents a person deep in the buying cycle. Next, scroll down the search results to the people also ask box. This is a goldmine of questions people have before they buy. Answer these in your content, and you become the most helpful resource. finally scroll to the very bottom to related searches. Google is telling you, hey, people who searched for this also looked for these other things. That's your content roadmap to becoming the #1 authority. Your job is to find where the buyers are and build the best place for them to get answers. Finding the keywords is half the battle. Now you have to create the content. The keyword tells you their mission. Your content must complete it. If someone searches an informational keyword like how to reduce echo, your job is to be a teacher. Give them an amazing step-by-step guide. You are not selling. At the end you can say, if you want to upgrade your audio, check out our guide to the best mics for home studios. Help first, sell second. But when someone searches a commercial keyword like best podcasting microphones under $200, your content must be an unapologetic buyer's guide. Compare the top 5 to 7 options with pictures, pros, cons, and your honest opinion. Every microphone you recommend has an affiliate link. The entire article is a call to action, guiding the user to the best choice for them. And for a transactional keyword like Shure MV7 review, you go deep on that one product. Talk about its quality, sound, who it's for, and, just as important, who it's not for. Be brutally honest. Trust is everything. The call to action is simple. If you think the Shure MV7 is the mic for you, you can check the current price right here. You're meeting people exactly where they are. I didn't get this right when I started. When I launched my first affiliate site, I did what everyone tells you to do. I chased traffic. I wrote huge, broad articles. I even got one to rank on the first page of Google, getting over 10,000 visitors a month. I thought I was a genius. I thought, I've made it. The affiliate income from that article? A giant, fat zero. Not $1. 10,000 people a month and nothing to show for it. I was burning out and about to quit. Then, I wrote a totally different article. A simple product A versus product B comparison. That article only got 200 visitors a month, but it was making me over $500 a month in commissions. That was the moment the light bulb didn't just turn on, it exploded. 200 targeted buyers were infinitely more valuable than 10,000 random viewers. That's the day I stopped chasing traffic and started hunting for intent. I refocused my entire strategy around commercial keywords, and that's when my site became a real business, not just a money-losing hobby. Now it's your turn. I have a challenge for you. Find one commercial or buyer intent keyword in your niche using the free method I just showed you. A best of list, a review, or a V's comparison. Once you find it, drop it in the comments below. I want to see what you find, and I'll reply to as many as I can. Go. The secret to a massive ROI isn't about having a huge audience or going viral, it's about being the most useful resource for people who are ready to spend money. Stop being the store with all the window shoppers. Start being the special shop that attracts a few dedicated buyers. Stop chasing the vanity metric of traffic and start focusing on the sanity metric of profit. The secret lever is intent. Shift your focus, target your content, and you will build a hugely profitable business with a surprisingly small but insanely targeted audience. If this video was helpful and you want more strategies to work smarter, not harder, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm here to help you skip the dumb mistakes I made and get straight to what actually works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.